Hey everybody, it's Bryan here with All American Hauling Demolition. Just doing a little video on my hike here to help you decide the best company to go with for your demolition or hauling needs. First thing I would do is obvious. I would go on Google, but I would also go on Yelp and I would Google junk hauling demolition. It would be better if you put the name of your city in so that it would help kind of choose companies closer to you. After I would do that, I would look for the companies that have, say, 50 reviews or more. I wouldn't go with less than that because people can obviously fake a few reviews and make it look like they have a good company. Once I picked up 3 or 4 companies, I would contact them via text or email or a phone call, and I would have them either send me pictures or come over and look at what you need them to remove or what you need them to demo. Once you decided to go with a company like that, I would then ask them for their certificate of insurance. This is a piece of paper they can email you over. It would have a copy of their general liability, their workers' comp, and their truck insurance on it. If you're doing demolition, then I would ask for their demolition license. This is a C21 license for demolition. This way you know that if anything goes wrong on your job, you're completely covered. After I would do all that and I picked a company that had, say, the best price and you felt the best about going with them, I would then mention to them that you go on Yelp often. This would be a subtle reminder to them that you may write them a good or a bad review. People don't want bad reviews. So when you let them know that you're a Yelper or you're on Yelp, it's going to make them want to do the best job possible for you. Anyways, I hope this helps you figure out the best company to go with. You could obviously contact us here at All American Hauling. We have all the proper insurance. We do have great reviews, and we will do a great job for you. Best of luck in your search for a hauling company. Hey everybody, it's Bryan here with All American Hauling and Demolition. If you like what you saw in the video and need some work done, be it big or small, give us a call or check the link below, or you can also text us. We'd love to give you a free estimate day or night. Thanks again.